Welcome back, guys. Capitulation channel. Let's take a look. Just local updates for FET AI USDT trading pair is my customer set. We're more than okay to start buying this token for the spot position. First of all, I highly recommend you go and check the videos what I posted in 2023, 2024, because FET I track even before they create artificial super intelligence alliance together with the Ocean Protocol and Singularity Net. I track it since 2021 because I trade this token. I'm not being investor in this one, but I trade it. That's why I track since 2021. Where nobody talk about AI, I highly recommend you go and check the utility and the use case of FET because it's really good one and can be useful in real life. You know, in our routine life, even for the traffic in the cities, right? So this is technology is not about like create the JPEGs or create the videos. It's more complicated and more useful, I guess, if they deliver what they're trying to deliver. So first of all, guys, I highly recommend go and check that videos. And I hope you're not hopping here at the top because it was so obvious. So we should crash it down because it's over than 5,000% gains profit while all markets just barely pump, the injective pump it, the FET pump it, the ASPA pump it. So some of the tokens after 5,000 was not a mistake to fix the profit. And here I track this token, and it was a global accumulation zone on a weekly time frame. And after that 4 years, we come back again to on the Donald Trump dump. We tested this level like a zone, but it's a wide zone. It's between the 12 cents to around 3.89. So between the 12 and the 4 cents. In this area, you can accumulate if you believe in this one for the future, for the spot. So this is a zone what I tracked since 2021, and it's relevant. And anyway, I believe just only if, the hype around the AI will be still with us, and the institutional will interesting, and if we'll see some market rebound in general, on a wide sector of the altcoins, definitely one day we'll see the FET at least at a take profit line on the weekly, so it's about the $1. After that, it's hard to say. Maybe we're gonna finish the cycle like this one and break the structure. Everybody talk about to the moon again, but we're going down, and maybe this type of tokens will be like NFT tokens. So some of NFT project will be still with us. Some just vanished out of the market. So I hope the FET will be with us in the next cycles. And I truly believe that 7 billion market capitalization, it's not the end for this token. It's not the top of the top what this token could reach. So 2.61 billion circular supply, all tokens in circular supply 96%. So no unlocks, everything okay, right? So that's why this token got potential for the future. And now we are around the okay zone to buy again. And take a look at the fundamental value of this token. It's around 41 cents 53. It's a fundamental value based on take profit indicator. We get a like price in the value. So I highly recommend you just add alerts, because here I post one day, definitely we're going to test the buy line and the drop on the fundamental value. People's laughing. So what are we talking about? But guys, it's just algorithm, and we always, all the time, return back to the buy line on a weekly, on a daily. Weekly, I use personally for investment, for the spot position. And just a matter of time when. And the same story, we always return back to the take profit line. So take profit line now at this current moment, it's $1.10. And problem is the buy line, take profit lines, all lines are dynamic. So it's hard to say. Maybe if now it's going to be this type of story, so we trade under fundamental value, consolidate inside accumulation zone. The line can be November 26 around 74 cents. So that's a problem because the lines are dynamic and we can't know that time. We can work only with the price action and the levels. But definitely one day you can add alerts here. You take profits line and wait. Take profit line here. Wait the updates. So now I recommend you to not rush, because more than sure something will happen with the Donald Trump positive or negative, but we can drop again to, for example, 9 cents, even 9 cents, or even the 50% of this range to close this weekly full fill. For example, because Donald Trump by end of the February have to decide what to do with the Iran. It's kind of weird, but yes, it's just part of our life now. We have to track not only the crypto news, we have to track the macro, we have to track what this Donald say next, what's going on in the world, because unfortunately, yes, institutional now joined to the markets and affects the crypto also. And institutional reacts on many geopolitical news. So be careful, guys, because next 6 days, next week will be crucial for all altcoins, I guess, for BTC especially. So anyway, if you dream about accumulated FAT, 12 and 4 cents, it's not a mistake, I guess, for accumulation. Direction, ADZ on a weekly. Highly recommended, by the way, use the dashboard. It's all in one place. Indicator, you can adjust the timeframes and track all in one place on the screen. So what we can see here, this is accumulation. Last time this type of accumulation was here in August 19. But after that, of course, it was a chop time till COVID dump. So I hope this time will be not like previous one. So I hope the spring at least will rebound to 50 cents. And after that, we have to double check what's going on in the world in general. The worst case scenario, of course, guys, if we're going to form the divergence, because here, if it will be something like this one, by end of, let's say by end of spring or autumn, something like this. Me personally, I will start looking the spot position for the FAT only around the 4 cents. I hope, of course, we will not see these prices, but this is my take. Because the last year, I'm stopped buying the spot position because I'm stuck with a lot of altcoins. That's why the last year I decided to not touch the spots, because spot is just a scam this cycle. You just froze the money and that's it. Or waste the stable coins with the DCA. That's why I'm not recommended to DCA this time. Here. Some accumulation on direction indicator January 26. So more or less, good time to buy. But big difference even if you buy now at 16 and if the price dropped to 10. So it can be like 30% drop on a spot. So just better wait. Market mood, guys, take a look. This is the greatest example. So good and bad. First, bad moment. We have to all the time trust more indicators, and every single time only now when the token is dumping to the bottom, I start to realize even myself, so I made a lot of mistake because I'm not trust my own indicators, because I won't believe we could drop that low, but indicators like we can see don't lie. And here, the capitulation zone only now. So here it was a aphoria. It was so obvious. Yes, I was right. So about a FAT, so we need to out of that token. But I couldn't even imagine we could drop to capitulation zone. So this one, only now, since January 26, we see the capitulation zone on a monthly time frame. So it's more than okay time. It's a good time to start buying. All that time period, it was just a noise. You could just close the chart, ignore, add alert to the capitulation zone and wait. And after the 2 years, March 2024, you open the chart now, done. It's a good time to buy. Nice one. So now we're in capitulation zone, even better than it was here in June 2023. The open question is, will we see the hype around the AI sector or not? So I hope yes. Last 2 indicators, money power, guys, one times in history since the indicator showed the data, not from the beginning, but from the March, June 2020. Well, we see the data. Here was a time to sell. It was without a signal to sell on a monthly. Here's the first time in history we see the signal to buy. So this accumulation from the whale. Some big guys, at least on a Binance, start accumulating FAT for some reason. Of course, the reason one and only to make money in the next few months. Weekly, of course, it's accumulation. Here was a distribution on the weekly. Now it's accumulation. So it's not a mistake to accumulate together with big guys. Trade on, guys, the last indicator here. What is bad? We didn't see the signal take profit. Yesterday, I showed you the third time in history on a BTC, we saw the signal take profit from the sale. So we need to close the position now. Still no take profit signal. So still got a chance to drop lower because we didn't see the signal money back when we need to close all short position and start looking the buy. And now still not that money back. So guys, of course, previously in 2022, 2023, we also didn't see that signal, but just buyback recommendation, buyback. Now we see that also the 3 buybacks October. But keep in mind, now we live in a total different world than even in 2022. So after 4 years, so be careful. If you're not ready to see the 30% drop, 40% drop, just better skip this token. But once again, like inclusion, 12 cents, 4 cents, I guess it's not a mistake to accumulate a FAT for the spot position for the future. I'm more than sure if everything will be okay with the idea of FAT, if they deliver what they trying to deliver, if they will get the investor, the funds on the boards, if this token will be still exists on centralized exchanges, and if we will see the hype and continuation of the AI industry, right? In general, yes, I guess 7 billion is not the limit of the market capitalization for the FATs. And let's say 3 billion tokens, let's say 3 billion tokens. There's 2.6, but let's say 3 billion tokens exist. And even if we multiply to $5, it's 15 billion market capitalization. So it's more than real to see. That's why. So around $4.14, it's more than real to see this target, right? In the future, it's going to be in real, I guess, I don't know, 10 billion market cap. I'm more than sure we will see one day this target. Only if we'll see the interest in institutional to the AI sector. Because you have to understand, in the next few years, we'll see a new project, the fresh new projects. And the same story can be like with the old NFT projects. So I hope everything will be okay with the FAT. I'm not investing in the FAT now. My zone of interest, my personal zone of interest, I will maybe touch the FAT only at the 5 cents. So this is my take. If we not drop to 5 cents, 2 to 5 cents, I just skip and I will feel more than okay. So guys, if you would like to trade with my customer sat and add the same alerts like I did in this video, just write in the DM. Don't forget, Joe Motegum. See you next time, guys.